The United States has just unveiled a silent, lethal and invisible force that could reshape the battlefield against China, the X-47B drone. This is not just another drone, it's a game-changing piece of military technology designed to operate without a pilot and strike with precision and power. Imagine a weapon that combines the stealth of the B-2 Spirit, which is known for being nearly impossible to detect by radar, with the firepower of the F-22 Raptor, one of the deadliest fighter jets ever created. That's exactly what the X-47B brings to the table. It's a powerful combination of stealth and strike capability, allowing it to approach targets undetected and deliver devastating blows. But what most people don't know is that this unmanned aerial vehicle was almost scrapped before it even had a chance to prove its power. The story of the X-47B is one of survival and resurgence, rising from the brink of cancellation to becoming one of the most advanced and deadly drones in the world. In 2001, the US Air Force and Navy launched the Joint Unmanned Combat Air Systems Program, or JUCAS. This initiative was designed to revolutionize military aviation by developing a new class of high-performance drones capable of handling 21st-century combat missions. The X-47A was the first product of this ambitious program, a prototype developed by Northrop Grumman and funded by DARPA. The X-47A took to the skies for the first time in February 2003, marking a significant milestone in the development of unmanned aircraft. This was more than just a test flight. It was a demonstration of what the future of aerial warfare could look like. But despite the promising start, the program was abruptly terminated in 2006 after the Quadrennial Defense Review. The Air Force decided to shift its focus to next-generation bombers, leaving the X-47A in limbo. However, the Navy wasn't ready to let go of the concept of battle-defining unmanned jets. They saw the potential in the X-47A and decided to continue the mission independently. The Navy rebranded the program as the Unmanned Combat Air System Demonstrator Program, UCAS-D, and sought to push the boundaries of unmanned aerial systems even further. Northrop Grumman was brought back on board to develop the X-47B, a redesigned and upgraded version of the original X-47A. This wasn't just a simple upgrade, it was a complete overhaul. The goal was to create a stealthy, autonomous drone capable of launching from aircraft carriers and delivering devastating strikes without ever being seen. By 2011, the first X-47B was ready for testing. The initial flight was a success, but it was only the beginning of a series of groundbreaking achievements. In 2012, the X-47B executed its first carrier landing, a feat that no other drone had ever accomplished. Successfully landing an unmanned aerial vehicle on the deck of a moving aircraft carrier was a historic milestone, showcasing the X-47B's precision and advanced autonomous capabilities. But the X-47B wasn't done setting records just yet. In April 2015, the X-47B made history once again by becoming the first unmanned aircraft to successfully complete an aerial refueling operation. This groundbreaking achievement wasn't just a technical triumph, it was a strategic game-changer. Aerial refueling meant that the X-47B could stay in the air for extended periods, significantly increasing its operational range and lethality. The drone's autonomous aerial refueling system uses advanced GPS and vision technologies to connect with tankers in mid-air, executing a complex and dangerous maneuver with pinpoint accuracy. This capability positions the X-47B as a dominant force in both military and civil applications, extending its mission range and operational impact. Now, the X-47B could conduct long-duration missions, gather critical intelligence, and deliver lethal strikes without needing to return to base for refueling, a game-changing advantage in modern combat. The X-47B is more than just another drone. It's a stealth machine inspired by the legendary B-2 Spirit. The B-2 is known for its unique flying wing design, which minimizes its radar cross-section, making it nearly invisible to enemy radar systems. The X-47B takes this stealth concept to a new level, incorporating similar design principles, but in a more compact and advanced form. Like the B-2, The X-47B features a tailless flying wing structure that reduces radar reflections, making it harder for enemy systems to detect. Its sleek, aerodynamic design scatters radar waves in multiple directions, significantly lowering its visibility on enemy radars. Additionally, the X-47B uses radar-absorbent materials that further reduce its radar signature, making it even harder to track. But while the B-2 is primarily a strategic bomber, the X-47B is designed for autonomous missions, capable of operating without a pilot for hours at a time while remaining virtually undetectable. But stealth is just the beginning. The X-47B also channels the firepower of the F-22 Raptor, the most lethal fighter jet ever built. With a payload capacity of 4,500 lbs, the X-47B can carry a wide range of precision-guided munitions, from small-diameter bombs to anti-ship missiles. This makes it a versatile weapon, capable of executing both air-to-ground and potentially air-to-air missions. And with its advanced avionics suite, it can spot, track, and eliminate targets with pinpoint accuracy, all without putting a pilot at risk. The F-22 is known for its agility, speed, and lethal armament, but the X-47B takes those capabilities to the next level by removing the human element entirely. The drone's mission operator sets the flight path, but once airborne, the X-47B can navigate, refuel, and engage targets independently. This level of autonomy enables it to undertake high-risk missions in contested zones where a manned aircraft might not survive. And because it's unmanned, the X-47B can loiter over target areas for extended periods, providing persistent surveillance and strike capabilities without endangering a pilot. The X-47B's capabilities have placed it at the forefront of next-generation warfare. As global tensions rise and military strategies shift towards unmanned systems, the X-47B stands as a symbol of the future, a stealthy, lethal, unpiloted predator that can operate in enemy airspace undetected. With its blend of stealth, firepower, and autonomy, it represents the next phase in aerial combat, a phase that the US Navy is determined to dominate. In a world where unmanned systems are rapidly gaining prominence, the X-47B is more than just a drone. It's the face of modern warfare, a weapon that can strike without warning and disappear without a trace. Despite its cutting-edge capabilities, the X-47B was not without its challenges. The project faced intense scrutiny and budget cuts that almost led to its cancellation. Critics questioned the need for such an advanced unmanned system, arguing that the US military already had a robust fleet of manned aircraft capable of striking targets with precision. But the Navy saw potential in the X-47B's autonomous capabilities, especially in contested airspace where manned aircraft might not survive. The drone's ability to operate without a pilot, combined with its stealth features, made it a valuable asset in future warfare scenarios where electronic warfare and anti-aircraft defenses would be a major threat. The Navy doubled down, pushing the X-47B project forward despite the obstacles. But the X-47B's journey isn't over yet. From being nearly abandoned to becoming the military's secret weapon, its rise is a story of survival and rebirth. And as the world watches, one question remains. Will the X-47B be the drone that changes everything in the impending conflict with China? The stakes are high and the future of warfare is changing before our eyes. Stay tuned to find out, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep watching for more high-stakes military tech stories.